Today I want to tell you something that may sound hard, but it is the truth. God will not help you if you don't help yourself. No one is coming to serve you, not the government, not an NGO, not a friend, not even family members. You must stand up and move first. Then God move with you. Because faith without action is dead. You can pray all day, but if you refuse to act, nothing will change. You can cry to God every night, but if you don't take a single step, your life will stay the same. God gave you strength, but it is your job to use it. He gave you time, but it is your job to manage it. He gave you ideas, but it is your job to turn them into reality. Stop waiting for help that is not coming. Stop saying, I will start when I get money. Start now, even if all you have is faith and a little energy. You see, when you start doing something, no matter how small, God adds His power to your effort. But when you do nothing, He has nothing to bless you with. Remember this. The people you admire start with fear, doubt, nothing in their pocket, but they took one step forward. And that first step opened the next door. So, my brothers, my sister, wake up. Take responsibility for your dream. Work for what you want. Don't wait for someone to lift you. Lift yourself. Because in life, no one is coming. It is you, your faith, and your action. That is the only way to rise. Without all these things, you will never achieve anything.